One of the best ways you can affair-proof your marriage? By sending off signals everywhere you go that you're married and that you're working on having an awesome marriage. I've been around both men and women whose words and actions would leave you with no idea that they're married. They don't wear their wedding ring. They don't talk about their spouse. They flirt. They hang out in places that need to be off limits for them. You've got a choice every day. Are you sending off "I'm married" signals or "I'm available" signals? This brings me to today's one thing. Brag on your spouse today. Tell someone else how wonderful your spouse is and how they make your life so much better. It does a couple of things. First, you need to consciously remember every day that your spouse is a gift from God. And second, you're broadcasting the message loud and clear that you're off limits, you're married, and you're proud of your spouse. It's a giant step in the right direction as you affair-proof your marriage. That's your one thing today. Brag on your spouse to somebody else.